Tripura attained full statehood on answer B 1972. Rajmala, which is a chronicle of the kings of Tripura, was written under which king? Answer C Dharmamanikya. Total number of districts in Tripura? Answer C 8. Which one is recognized as the state tree of Tripura? Answer B Agar tree. Who was the first chief minister of Tripura? Answer A Sachindra Lal Singh. Who is the longest serving chief minister in Tripura? Answer D Manik Sarkar. Which one is the largest district by area wise in Tripura? Answer C Dhalai. The Bhuvaneshwari temple situated on the bank of? Answer B Gomti. Total number of wildlife sanctuaries in Tripura? Answer C 4. Garya Puja is performed in the month of? Answer B Chaitra. Which one is the largest river of Tripura? Answer A Gomti. ONGC started drilling in Tripura from the year? Answer D 1972. Total number of elected members of Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council? Answer A 28. Which king built the Neer Mahal? Answer D Bir Bikram Kishore. The first campaign for mass literacy in Tripura was initiated by? Answer B Dasrath Dev. Who built Tripureshwari temple? Answer A Maharaja Dhanya Manika. Which was the first newspaper published from Agartala? Answer C Rabi. Trial run of the first train to Agartala took place on? Answer C 29th June 2008. Queen Tripura Sundari was the wife of king? Answer B Kirtidhar. Tripura era started from? Answer B 590 AD. In which year did Dasrath Dev first become the chief minister of Tripura? Answer C 1993. Kokborok Language Day is observed in Tripura on? Answer B 19 January. When was the Tribal Research Institute established in Tripura? Answer A 1970. In which year was the concept of tribal sub-plan adopted in Tripura? Answer C 1974. Tripura 6th Schedule Bill was passed by the Lok Sabha in the year? Answer D 1984. Origin of river Gomti of Tripura is? Answer C Baramura range. Who was famous for the title Rajarshi given by Rabindranath Tagore? Answer B Godinda Manikya. Kamla Sagar Lake was excavated by? Answer A Maharaja Dhanya Manikya. Who was the first Olympic from Tripura? Answer B Saraswati Dev. The first tea garden of Tripura is? Answer A Hirachira. The first newspaper of Tripura is answer C. Arun. Who was the first governor of Tripura? Answer A. B.K. Nehru. Which highway connects Tripura with rest of the India? Answer C. NH 44. The Tripura High Court was established in the year. Answer B. 2013. Who was the first Chief Justice of the Tripura High Court? Answer D. Deepak Gupta. The Ujjainta Place was constructed by. Answer D. Radha Kishore Manikya. The Manikya dynasty was established by King Mahamanikya in the year. Answer A. 1400. Total number of members in the State Assembly of Tripura is. Answer C. 60. Who is the first recipient of Padma Shri Award for Tripura? Answer A. Dr. Rathindra Datta. Which one is the longest river in Tripura? Answer B. Manu River. Which one is the highest peak in Tripura? Answer D. Beetalong Chip. Tripura has dash longest international border length among Indian states lying on borders. Answer B. Fifth. The famous book Rajmala was written under which king? Answer C. Dharma Manikya. The Maharani Regent of Tripura signed the Tripura Merge Agreement to become a part of India in the year. Answer B. 1949. The first rail service through meter gauge track was started in Tripura in the year. Answer A. 1964. Which place is known as Old Agartala? Answer Khairpur.